In order to make smart and educated decisions in life, we need data or information, and that is exactly what we provided at Retire on My Budget community. Start planning your retirement or just a better lifestyle now using Retire on My Budget community data. No registration is required to compare the cost of living worldwide. Let me show you how to use the Retire on My Budget website. Go to retireonmybudget.com and click on Try for free. Add your current city and select from the drop-down menu. It will load the information of your current city. Add the other city or cities you want to compare. Once you have added your city, you'll be able to see the cost of living data. You don't need any registration or credit card information to start comparing. You can see the average monthly net salary, rent per month, markets, restaurant expenses, utilities cost, cost of clothing, transportation, sports and leisure, childcare, mortgage percent, and more. To check other stats like healthcare, pollution, traffic, and crime, you have to click on the tab. This is where the registration is mandatory. Since you have watched the video this far, we have bonus code for you to access the plan too. Click on Upgrade your subscription plan and register. Add your avatar. You can upload a picture that's smaller than 2 megabytes in size. Click on Choose File and upload. Add your desired username, first name, last name, your email address, phone number, current city. You can also add your destination city here if you have something in mind already, or else you can leave it blank. Add your monthly budget. Add your hobbies. You can either type or select from the options. You can add up to 10 hobbies and interests. This information helps us connect you with like-minded people on the languages you speak. You can also select if you'd like to connect to other people with the same interests. Hobbies, budgets, and destinations. Here, you can choose the plan. Plan 1 includes budget comparisons, and Plan 2 includes various other features like healthcare, crime, pollution, traffic, weather comparison. You can start with the free plan, and you can choose if you'd like to receive the updates and discounts by email. Here, you can add a little bit about yourself. We recommend you to read the terms of use and privacy policy to make sure your information is safe with us. Add the password of your choice and register. Once you register, you'll land on the compare page. Please note, you'll get a confirmation email in your inbox. It is important that you confirm your account to access the tool successfully. In case you haven't received the email, check your spam box. Once the email is confirmed, you can sign in and go to the compare page. Here's how you can upgrade from plan number 1 to plan number 2. Once you're logged in, hover over the top right corner, and from here, you can select Manage your subscription from the drop-down menu. It will take you to the settings page. This is where you can select which kind of plan you want to have. Right now you have the plan, which is basic and free. This plan allows you to only compare the prices. However, if you click here to update now and continue with the premium plan, you'll be able to upgrade. You can use the coupon code FRIENDS to access the plan 2 and the full feature of the website. Once you're happy with the settings and everything, you can either click here to go back to the website, or you can select Return to Retire on My Budget. It will take you back to the website. Now, you can go to the compare page again. Earlier, you could only compare the prices and see the difference in the cost of living. And now, with the plan 2, you are able to compare the healthcare, the crime rate, pollution, traffic, and weather. So what are you waiting for? Go to retireonmybudget.com and start comparing today. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Feel free to try retireonmybudget.com and compare for yourself.